I think my dog Bristol's trying to find her new mate. I mean, she's wagging the tail. And they're wagging their tails, so and they're playing, so she likes it. So yeah, she's like wagging her tail, so she likes it. Apparently. Oh God! And I have it at the wrong way, so it's like this is like she's she's trying to find her mate, and they're playing with each other. So I don't see what's happening here. Alright. I mean, her mother is having a little thing for her, but I think she might too. I don't know how old she is. Right. Oh, gosh. Bristol, do not knock me over. I'm going to go end the vlog here.